Essential yoga poses for beginners. Achieve good health from home. Welcome to your journey into the world of yoga. Today, we're exploring basic asanas you can do at home for good health. Let's start with Tadasana, or mountain pose, the foundation of all standing poses. It improves posture and focuses your breathing. Next, we embrace Vrksasana, the tree pose. This pose helps in balancing and strengthens your legs while calming the mind. Transitioning gently into Uttanasana, or standing forward bend. This asana stretches the hamstrings and relieves tension in the back and neck. Now, gently lower onto your mat for Bhujangasana, the cobra pose. This strengthens the spine and soothes sciatica, bringing flexibility. Moving to a seated position, we explore Paschimottanasana, or seated forward bend. It calms the mind and stretches the spine and shoulders. Lastly, unwind with Savasana, the corpse pose. It's the ultimate relaxation, integrating your practice and rejuvenating body and mind. Remember, consistency is key. Embrace these poses daily for a healthier, more balanced life. Welcome to your yoga journey.